welcome back. Today we are in the beautiful community of Sandbrock Ranch, and this time we're actually going to be touring David Weekley and their brand new floor plan that they've just rolled out with. They've got a new phase open, so stay tuned.
Hey guys, this is Gus and Karla here. We are your Dallas real estate agents. We help many families just like yours buy, sell, invest, and relocate here into the Dallas market.
Yes guys, so today we're going to be touring the Forreston floor plan, which is their model. And they just rolled out a brand new model because they used to have the same one in their last phase, but they rolled out some really great new additions and upgrades that you can do to it. So the Forreston starts at $498,000 and it varies and it can go up in price. You can get up to the high 500s depending on what you want to add to it. Yes, they actually do have some really great incentives right now. They've got one if you use their preferred lender, and then they've got an additional one that they're allowing buyers to take advantage of. So if you are interested in finding out what those incentives are, do us a favor and give us a call. And we're more than happy to, go over those incentives with you or to help you find your dream home here in the beautiful community of Sandbrock.
All right, guys, well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Let us know, leave a comment to let us know what your favorite part of this floor plan was, any of the finishes that stood out to you. They do actually have 2 stories also available, inventory homes that you can get a great deal on. Again, our information is going to be right up here. You can text or call us to get more information about that.
Yes, and do us a favor, as always, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help us out, and it helps motivate us to create more videos just like this. So if you guys are interested in other floor plans, please comment below. We're happy to film those for you. And if you guys are looking to buy or sell in the Aubrey area or nearby surrounding cities, give us a call.
All right, guys, well, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. We'll see you next time. Bye.